Hello, welcome. WASSCE 2025 Further Mathematics for Ghanaian students, section B, question number 5. If three forces, the force 1, force 2, and force 3, act on a particle, we have to find the vertical component of the resultant force. This is under mechanics, the statics, resolving of force in magnitude and direction form into a vector column form. Now, in a vector column form, if I have vector A, B in this form, this is the horizontal one. Let me just say A. This is the horizontal component of the force, and this is the vertical components of the force. As in the Cartesian plane in this way, a point here, if I put a point here and here, this is where that vector is going to be. So this vector has a horizontal component which is A and a vertical component which is what? B. So we are looking for the vertical component only. Accurate way of resolving magnitude and magnitude and direction form of a force into the vector component form is the use of, if I have a force, let me just say force is going to be equals to if I have a magnitude, which could be any value that I have. What value could I be? Let's use A. Let's say the force in the form A newtons, and let's say we have theta degree. That force resolve is going to be the A cos theta, the A sine what? Theta. So we are going to make use of this in the convection. So that means that we are not interested in the horizontal component of the force. We are only interested in what? The vertical component. But they are saying we are looking for each resultant. Resultant of forces, meaning addition of all the forces. So I'm going to have that resultant force. Let me just say the force I'm looking for will be the force 1 in the column vector column form. We are only picking the vertical part. So that is going to be 10, the sine of that angle, 330, plus the second one, 8, the sine of that angle, 60, plus the third one, the sine, 12, the sine of the angle, 150. So if we resolve this, each of them, we add them, we are having the resultant force. So let's check that on our calculator. So the first part will be giving you -5. Then the second part will give us 4√3. Then the final one will give us what? 6. So in adding this, remember this and this can be added to give us +1 plus 4 the root of 3, as we can have. If we check the possible answers or the option, that is going to give us the option A, right? This will be our option A as the best answer.